Today we're doing a bonfire event with a bunch of different chapters from my frat, and we're split up into different groups based on our t-shirt color, and I think we're just gonna do like a bunch of activities, and then I'm not sure where I'm gonna stay tonight, so I guess you guys will find out later on in this vlog. But I'm excited, so let's get back to the group. So we just finished playing a bunch of games. Now we're just going to eat somewhere. I'm not really sure. You always find me. Like an hour till we go to the beach.
It's me!
Karen wants to talk to this guy. He's
really
like
cute.
he's like right there somewhere. I don't know. I think they're gonna go back home and then they're gonna get some stuff and then we're gonna go to the beach.
20 minutes later.
All right.
Hello!
So we are taking a break from the flower place that we went to for lunch, and then we're gonna go to the beach after getting yogurt, I think.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so apparently we're like hella late, but we're gonna make it back right now. Like we're supposed to be at the beach right now, I guess. You know what? It's okay. But this. We're at the beach. Color group. We're at Grover Beach, and we're gonna do like more games and then have a bonfire later on. We all here.
Hello!
He's going to yike.
Huh?
Yike right now.
Alright, so you wanna grab the ass?
Alright, we're pretty much done with hanging out at the beach right now. And then we're gonna get food and then come back to the beach, I think. What do you think?
It's been a long day. This is so bad.
Wait, how are we splitting this up?
Everyone lean with the turn.
Lean with it.
Lean left. Lean left. Come on.
Move with it. Lean with it.
Coming up.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
It's not about personality matrices and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
Alright, we're at the bonfire. The sun is setting behind me, and it's getting pretty cold. Oh shit, I was in the road, but it's cold. But I wanted to see what happens, so. Alright, so we're done with the icy bonfire. There was mosquitoes everywhere, but it was really, really fun, and I got to meet a lot of new people. I didn't get to say goodbye to everyone in Team Tai Chi, but hopefully you guys watch this vlog, and I really enjoyed today with you guys. So I'm really looking forward to the next icy bonfire. I'll see all you there.